Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to set stop loss on Schwab app. And here's the easy step and guide on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open your Schwab mobile app and log into your account. Then from there, you have to tap the trade button at the bottom of the screen. Then after that, you have to choose the stock you want to sell. Then tap sell as your action type. Then after that, under other type, select stop or stop limit, then enter the stop price. Then once that is done, you can also enter a limit price, the lowest price you will be willing to accept, then enter the numbers of shares you want to sell. Then after that, choose the time in force, then tap review order, check the details, then tap place order. And that's how you can easily set stop loss on Schwab app. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.